Okay, so today, first of all, we'll talk about responsibility. When you sit here on this seat as a driver, this is your responsibility to keep me safe and yourself. And my responsibility is to help you sometime if you miss a potential hazard or anything on the road. I'll steer for you or I'll brake for you, only to help you. So last week you were doing, you just started left turns. So if on the scale of the 5, scale of 10, can you measure your lesson? So what score you gonna give yourself from 0 to 10 last lesson, because you just started the left turn. And today our aim is when we finish this lesson, you can do these independently and then we move on right turns.
Maybe 6?
Yeah. So when we finish this lesson today, we want to increase this number, okay? Maybe 8 or 9. Okay, so I'm gonna give you direction in good time, otherwise we're gonna follow the road sign and floor marking, and we're gonna move off when it's safe. But if you got any mistake last week, you were struggling on anywhere.
Yeah.
Where?
Sometimes with speed and hitting the curb.
So why and how we gonna fix this today?
Just slow down and check my mirrors.
Okay, so this session now, what you gonna do differently to avoid those mistakes?
Slow down and check my mirrors.
Okay, that's fine. Are you ready? When you're ready, tell me and we're gonna move off. And show me the palm routine, okay? And how you gonna move off? Can you tell me as well when you're moving off?
Signal and checking.
Yes. And which thing is you just missed? Last one when you're moving off?
Dunno.
Your blind spot?
I checked my blind spot.
Yeah, so just tell me.
Oh.
Yeah. You just tell me what you're gonna do, okay? And now we're gonna go ahead. Keep going ahead. Your position is fine in middle. Perfect. Keep going ahead. So when you check once, when you're moving off, on the moving off point, you check second time for your safety. Always second times. Maybe second 2 times, 3 times, okay? Only for your safety. So we keep going ahead. At the crossroad, we are turning left. If the road is clear, so what's the best plan?
Just be in the middle.
Okay, or on the left here. So when we're turning left, which mirror we checking first?
The left mirror.
The center, okay? Center first, then left, then signal. So always center mirror, left mirror, then we signal left. Okay, so we turn here. Good, nice turn. Well done. Keep going ahead now. Can we see a hazard on the left?
It's a car there.
Okay, so how we gonna plan this to go around?
Go slower and
Yes.
get in the other lane.
Yeah.
Am I
Keep going
forward?
ahead.
Okay.
Yes, keep going ahead. And end of the road, this road bends to the left. Keep moving and keep going. And position 10 and 2 always. Keep going. So we're gonna go to the left, but it's not a left turn. Good. It's okay, keep going. Is anything on the left is affecting your speed or position?
The cars.
Okay. So what's the best plan then?
One car door away.
Yeah, that's good. again we move to this side, okay? More. It's good. And from here we assess the road. If you see any hazard on the left, tell me.
There's a truck van.
Okay, so how are we gonna go around?
Just slowly and get as much space as possible.
Okay. Good. Keep going. Is our position okay now?
Yeah.
That's fine. Keep going, and then end of this road we're gonna truck the double yellow on the left. Keep going ahead. After the black car, we're gonna pull up to the left where the 20 sign is, where the big lamp post is. So we check our center mirror, left mirror, and signal left. And then slowly come here. Our car should be straight. That's fine. We park up here. We don't want to block the driveway. So we move forward, okay, there. Next to these trees, because if we come here we block the driveway. So are we allowed to park front of the driveway?
No,
And why is that?
because you block them.
Their access. So we always park in safe, legal and convenient place, okay? Is something still ticking?
Yeah.
Okay. Now can you reflect on this circle?
I think it was okay.
So where did you make any mistakes?
I think maybe wasn't like as center when I turned.
Okay, so what was your, is this a position issue, observation, or what?
I think position. Yeah.
Position issue. So if we go again, what you gonna do different?
Position better.
Okay, let's get ready. We move off and fix our mistake, and we'll come back here. Because we don't want to make any mistake. We're gonna do this independently and properly, all these turns, okay? Let's get ready. Good observation this time, well done. Keep going now. So go ahead at the crossroad, turn left, please. So which mirror are we checking first?
Center.
Yes, and then?
The left.
Okay. And why are we checking these mirrors?
Hazards.
Okay, so we're turning left here. Keep it straight. How are we gonna deal with the blue car?
Yeah. Space.
Yeah, good. Now keep going ahead now.